Hi children, already we saw about important places around us. Let us read a lesson. Listen. In class 1, we learned that the area around our home is called our neighborhood. There are many important places in a neighborhood which are useful to us. There are many important places in a neighborhood which are useful to us. Let us see about that. The bank. First one is the bank. We keep our money and valuable like jewelry in the bank. We do this to keep them safe as they might get stolen otherwise. When we need them, we can go to the bank and take them out. Already I told you, if we want to keep money and jewelry, we want to go to bank. Next, the market. We buy different things that we need from the neighborhood market. Some shops we find here are listed on the next page. Look at here, the grocery store, from where we buy rice, wheat, bread, eggs, tea, etc. In the grocery store, we can buy rice, wheat, bread, eggs, tea and etc. Next, the chemist shop, from where we buy medicine, that is medical shop. Next, the milk booth, from where we buy milk, paneer, curd, etc. Next, the greengrocer shop, from where we buy fruit and vegetable, that is greengrocer shop. Next, the barber shop, beauty parlor and mobile store for various other needs. Next, hospital. If we get hurt or fall ill, we go to the hospital. Yes, if we get hurt or if we fall ill, we go to hospital. The doctors treat us and gives us medicines. The nurses help the doctors. The hospital sends an ambulance to help the people who are too ill to come to the hospital on their own. Next, the post office. We send letters and parcels to our friends and family members through the post office. We send letters and parcels to our friends and family members through the post office. We buy stamps and envelopes from the post office. Next, police station. The police guard our neighborhood and keep us safe. If there is any trouble in our neighborhood, we report it to the police. The police guard our neighborhood and keep us safe. If there is any trouble in our neighborhood, we report it to the police. Next, the fire station. When there is a fire, we call the fire brigade. The fire brigade sends firefighters. When there is a fire, we call fire brigade. The fire brigade sends firefighters and fire engines. The firefighters put out the fire. The firefighter put out the fire and help people who may be in danger. And they will help the people who may be in the danger. Next, the park. Park have open space where we can play. They have trees and green grass. There is a path for people to walk or jog on. We can also sit and enjoy fresh air. All these places are important for us. All these places are important for us. They help us make our life easy and comfortable. Next, we are going to write a book back exercise. Listen carefully. First one is fill in the blanks. First, we keep our money in a dash. We keep our money in a dash. Where do we keep our money? We will keep in a bank. So write it here, bank. B-A-N-K. Next one, when we fall ill, we are treated by a dash. When we fall ill, we are treated by a dash. Yes, if we fall ill, we are treated by a doctor. So write it here, doctor. D-O-C-T-O doctor. Next, we send letters through the dash. We send letters through the dash. Yes, we can send letters through the post office. So, write here, post office. P-O-S-T-O-F-F-I-C-E. Post office. Next, the dash guard our neighborhood. Who guard our neighborhood? Police. So, write here, police. P-O-L Police. Next, does have open space where we can play. Does have open space where we can play. Yes, the park. The park have open space. The P-A-R-K, park. Next, look at here. Write T for true or F for false. First one, there is only one shop in a neighborhood market. There is only one shop in a neighborhood market. No, there are many shops in our neighborhood market. So, this is false. Right here, F. Next, an ambulance takes us to school. An ambulance takes us to school. No, an ambulance takes the sick people to the hospital. So, this is also false. Right here, F. Next one, we buy stamps and envelopes from the post office. Yes, we buy stamps and envelopes from the post office. So, this is true. Right here, T. Next, if there is some trouble in a neighborhood, we report it to the post office. No, if there is some trouble in a neighborhood, we report it to the police station. So, this is false. Right here, F. Next, firefighters help us by putting out fires. Yes, firefighters help us by putting out fires. So, this is true. Right here, T. Next one, choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. We keep our money in a, where we will keep our money? In a bank. So, round it. Next, in the neighborhood market, we find the grocery store, the chemist shop, the greengrocer shop, all of this. We can see all the things in our neighborhood market. So, round this. When we get hurt, we go to the hospital, post office, fire station, bank. When we get hurt, where we will go? We will go to hospital. So, round this. Next, the police help us by posting our letters, selling medicines, selling milk, guarding our neighborhood. The police help us by guarding our neighborhood. So, circle this. Next, we go to the park to play, walk, jog, all of this. Yes, we go to park to play, walk, jog. So, circle this. Next, look at here. We are going to see, answer the following. Look at the board. Name any two shops that we find in the neighborhood market and write what we can buy from there. Name any two shops that we find in the neighborhood market and write we can buy from there. What we can buy from there? The grocery store. We buy rice, wheat, bread, eggs and etc. We can buy from grocery. What we can buy from grocery store? We can buy rice, wheat, bread, eggs and etc. Next, the chemist shop. We buy medicine. In chemist shop we can buy medicine. Next one, what do we send through the post office? What do we send through the post office? We send letters and parcel through the post office. We send letters and parcel through the post office. Next, third question, how does the fire station help us? How does the fire station help us? They send the firefighter along with the fire brigade. They send the firefighter along with the fire brigade to put out the fire. They send the firefighter along with the fire brigade to put out the fire.